All right, here is how you sign your lab safety contract. So first, click on the discussion board. When you click on the discussion board, you need to watch this video. It is pretty funny. It has a lot of weird parts to it. Make sure you pay attention because there's stuff in it that you will miss. Okay? So it is a cute way to get the lab safety rules across to you. When you have finished that, you are going to highlight, Control C or right-click copy that right there. This is your lab safety contract. You're going to choose reply, and you're going to paste it in here. So you can right-click and hit paste, or you can Control V it, and then by signing your name, you are stating that you will abide by all of the lab safety rules that we have for every single lab and class. When we return, we can do our labs as soon as we possibly can. You must sign this today, and when you finish signing it, you're going to post reply. Once you post reply, you should be able to see that you have signed your lab safety contract and that you are going to abide by all of the rules. Thank you. Have a